Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'd like to welcome back any of my old subscribers, any new subscribers, and anybody on the fence. If you're on the fence, I hope a little journey to the Philippines and back here will convince you that I'm the real deal, man. And I do what I say what I do. I mean what I say, and I say what I mean. And that's just what it is. This one came from a special request today. I'm just gonna call her Christine because I don't want to mispronounce. I don't want to butcher her first name. She's a Filipina, so shout out to you, Christine. You know who you are. I told you I would. I might not be able to always keep all my subscribers happy, but I'll do my best. So today the video is a house show. I guess she said a lot of vloggers do that. It's really nothing special, guys. I mean, in front of it, you'll see in the thumbnail. This is the backyard here. It's just an average house in America here. I mean, maybe $150,000 house. I don't know. I just rent, guys, so it's, gonna make it a lot easier for me when I move too. But yeah, I guess we'll start here. That's the back of the house. My neighbor's over here. Over here is the park. Actually, let me go over here real quick. I'm right next to the biggest park in my town here, and it's kind of got like a huge water tower. It's kind of like our icon. You'll be able to pick it up better if I move over here and zoom in a little bit. That's our big water tower. You can't see it from this side. It says Greenball on the other side there. So that's like our town mascot, I guess you could say. Big water tower there. Just recently put this fire pit out back here. Pretty good sized backyard. I've definitely been happy with this. For in the city here, this is a pretty good sized yard. I don't know what the the square footage of it is. But my garage over here, I'll show you inside that real quick. There ain't really much to go on in there other than just all the stuff I'm selling in my yard sale. So yeah, this fire pit, went and got some stones. Got some wood over there underneath the tarp. Actually might fire that up this weekend. Maybe be a little Saturday night fire, I need to get some benches for out here. But yeah, there's the park over there, and that's my neighbor's house. This is the back of my house here. I'll take you into the garage real quick. Try to zoom through this. I don't want to make this a really long video. I don't know. Well, Christine, you might be the only one that's interested in seeing this, but I told you I would do it, and Eric is a man of his word. So here we go. All my neighbors over here, they got the nice little plant patch over there. My neighbor, he's quite the gardener. All right, so yeah, this is my little humble garage here. I said, you've noticed all the stuff here. It's all the stuff I'm selling in the yard sale. I've actually been kind of picking at it all year. All kinds of stuff. Old dollhouse, old music books. Read pretty much damn near all these, man. I used to know a lot more songs than what I do now. Let me actually zoom this out a little more if I can. Oh no, it's as far as it'll zoom. There's a bunch of stuff, old CD player, trimmers, books, kids' games, movies, old clothes. The bike and the lawnmower aren't for sale. I'm still using those. Old kids' clothes. Bunch of cosmetic stuff back there. Got some glasses over there. Old speaker system. My 2 remaining golf clubs. I sold my whole golf club set. It's kind of bittersweet. Grow lights over here, in case you didn't notice those coming in. Yeah, I did used to grow some very special and very particular plants. I haven't done that in a while. These have been sitting around for the last 7 years. So I figured it's about time to get rid of them. We're pretty much done with that journey. And where I'm going in the Philippines, you don't want to bring that kind of plant with you. So got the humidifier over there. Electric weed whacker. Love that thing. That thing's awesome. I don't care. I mean, everybody can talk about the gas weed whackers all they want, but I like the electric one. Oh yeah, leaf blower down there. You gotta have the leaf blower, guys. I mean, that helps pick up the mess after mowing the lawn. So there's the garage. No big whoop-de-doo there. Lock that up. Wanted to get out here and show this while it was still light. It's getting dark. It's about 8:45, 8:40 right now. So Sun's going down, but all right, we'll go in the back door here. I picked up a little bit, guys, but you know, don't mind the mess, so to speak. So this is the kitchen here. A door I never used there. Recycle and trash bin, cans, shoes, coat rack, COVID mask, which I'm gonna have to use again in the Philippines, unfortunately. I like this though. I got the NWO. Any of you wrestling fans? New World Order. Dishes there that I need to do. Some dishes that I've already done. Got the Keurig. This is a godsend in the morning right here. This bad boy. I'm gonna be getting one of these. I don't care what it costs. When I get over to the Philippines, I know they got them over there somewhere. Microwave, toaster, you know, the usual. Knife sharpener, can opener, knives, stove. That probably needs to be cleaned a little bit. It's on my cupboard shelves here. Sorry, I can't really zoom out anymore. Lots of cupboard space in this house, so I've definitely been happy with that. Lots of cupboard space. So that's good. Refrigerator. You know, no big whoop there. You guys want to see inside my fridge, I guess, real quick. Got some pop, some pickles, some butter, some juice, tea. Got my orange juice in the morning, my milk. Actually, you know what? I think we're going to have ourselves a Coke and a Smile. Coke and a Smile. Freezer, we ain't got much. It's grocery shopping day tomorrow. I got some chicken left in there. Got some burritos and some sausage and some cheese sticks there. My popsicles. I'm a huge popsicle fan. Huge popsicle fan. Definitely gonna need those in the Philippines. It is hot over there. Alright, so here's the dining room. Let me close the shades here. Neighbors probably, what in the hell is this guy doing? I don't mind the mess, like I said. Here's the dining room table. This actually goes really good in here because these are all hardwood floors. This is actually real wood. Real hardwood floors there. They got the oak table. So real nice. Fits in here real nice. Got the AC over in the corner there. Gotta have that. There's the front door. You guys recognize this area if you watch some of my very earlier videos. Got the oil painting there. I love that picture. I don't know where it's at, but it's just a beautiful picture. I've always loved that. Shot a video or two over here before, the old board there, board of things to do. And definitely check out my how to plan for your trip if you're going to be going to the Philippines or wherever. Check that out. Lots of good stuff there. Ain't much going on in this corner over here. Bulletin board, hat rack, little camo coffee table there. All right, so we'll move on into the living room over here. Get my fan out of the way. Karaoke machine. I'm telling you, Filipinos, I'm getting ready. I know how you guys are, man. I've been practicing. Been doing some Journey lately. I tell you what, man. Steve Perry from Journey, their lead singer. Oh my God. Good luck following him, guys. Arnel Pineda he did obviously a really good job. He's the lead singer of Journey now. Arnel's voice is just amazing. A lot of you Filipinos can sing, man. You guys are my heroes. You have to teach me when I get over there. Started watching this a little bit earlier. Me Time there with Kevin Hart and Mark Wahlberg. Looks like it's going to be pretty funny. But yeah, we got the big boy over here, the 72-inch 4K HD smart TV, blah, blah, whatever. Got the nice glass stand there. I tell you what, though, guys. We're giving these glass stands. Better have your Swiffer duster ready because that thing gets full of dust like every other day. It might be from the fire pit here, but I never use the fire pit. But this is a pretty nice touch right over here. This is one of the things that kind of sold me on the house. In case you ever want to have a fire, you just gotta get one of them logs to clean it out because it hasn't been used in years. And then put a little screen in front of it so don't get no hot ashes over on my chair or my nice $2,000 couch over here. That's a fan up there. Yeah, I've got the PS5. Yeah, I do game once in a while. Not as much as I'd like to because business comes first, but we got the comfy chair over here, guys. This is I got the back massager there, the pillows for the butt. The arm is kind of the extender arm in there is a little bit messed up. This is an old chair. I've had this for like 10 years, but she's still rocking out. She still works. Let's see. There's my couch there, Rocket Michigan. Go Wolverines, baby. Got a nice picture there on the wall there of the ocean. That reminds me of the Philippines. I think I did one of my very first Philippine videos because I was looking, trying to think of a thumbnail, and I don't know, that's like my vision of what it's gonna look like on Boracay when the sun's going down. So we'll see if that lives up to the hype. It's like a nice little half wraparound couch here, very comfy. Yeah, here's my Galaxy Note 20, guys. I need my Facebook friends to see my post the other day. I'm going to hopefully get that. I was going to be getting it fixed hopefully tomorrow, but my ride's kind of having a rough day today, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But here's a guitar. I might as well show this real quick. I've been playing guitar for years. I ain't no Stevie Ray Vaughan, but I love to play. So we'll. This is just a little Dean acoustic electric. I really like the wood finish on this, guys. I think you will too. I haven't really got any bad comments on it yet. I love the finish on this guitar. It's almost like it matches right with the real hardwood. I love hardwood floors too. A hell of a lot easier to clean the carpet. This is a nice little guitar here. About $450, but you know, for a guitar that's cheap. She plays good. Keeps tuning real good. Like I said, you can and it's acoustic electric, so it's got the equalizer and the bass and all that stuff there, and then got the thing down here. You can plug it in, so you can play it acoustic or electric, either or. I got my amp. I got my Fender amp, my electric guitar up in my closet. But so there's that. The living room there. This is a little hallway here. Got the Shark vacuum. I tell you what, man, one of the best vacuums you'll ever find right there. You know, bathroom. Whoop-de-doo. You seen one, you seen them all. No big deal. You know, I like that sink though, the way they did that. But that's that. All right, let's go upstairs here. We're already rocking about a 12-13 minute video here, so go up my stairs here. Yeah, you guys, this is a decent house, but I ain't living no lap luxury over here. That's for sure, guys. I ain't no rich American. Yeah, that's my old TV stand there from years ago. I need to get rid of that. We just got the tools sitting on there right now. Yada, yada, yada. This is actually going to be, because I'm going to start up an Airbnb, guys, just to earn some extra money. I don't know why I'm doing that. The light switch is right here. This is my humble little office. I'm going to add more to it as I go, but got the flowers and a little shelf over there. I might get some books to go over there. Got a nice little old, kind of like a wicker desk there we painted. We actually kind of need to repaint a little bit. Got some pictures on the wall here. Old Paris there and old New York. Might get a couple more for in here, but yeah. So this way, whoever wants to stay in my Airbnb, they'll have like, you know, nice quiet space here. I'm gonna get like a little. Well, it's getting kind of late in the year now, but one of them little, just little portable room air conditioners, because it gets, you know, warm up here in the summer. But here in Michigan, the summer is kind of winding down. This is the hallway here. It's got some nice paintings here on the wall, oil paintings, some trees. You know, nothing too fancy schmancy. Closet here. Turn the lights on. This is gonna be the main bedroom. Get the Serenity Prayer upon entry. That's a nice, one of my favorite prayers. Serenity Prayer. Get the bed over here. I'm gonna eventually upgrade to a queen. This is only a full size, or maybe not even, maybe even a twin. It's got a pull out down here. But I don't see guests wanting to sleep on that. So probably only going to be able to accept one guest for now until I can get nice picture of a horse there on the wall. Until I can get a queen size bed. Because that's, you know, you're not going to fit two people on that unless somebody else wants to sleep on the pull out bed down there. Got the mirror over here. Got some little knickknacks. You know what I mean? Walk-in closet here. Nice, well, not walk-in closet, but nice little closet here, good space. People can hang their stuff up there, leave some extra towels. Get the 50-inch plasma over here with the Fire Stick unlocked, so you can watch whatever movie you want. That's worth its weight in gold. Got some drawers here in case they want to stuff some of their stuff in there overnight or whatever. Anyway, got nothing in that corner yet. Maybe I'll put something over there eventually. I don't know. Got some shelving back here. Got one blanket there. So we're getting there. And here is my room where all the YouTube magic happens. We got a full fan / air conditioner set up there. Definitely got to have that. Huge Al Pacino fan, Scarface. You guys probably see that in a lot of my videos. Well, that's easily his best movie. I don't care what anybody says. Of course, the King, Elvis. I'm a huge blues fan. You'll see that here in a second. Oh, gotta get the wide shot of the bed here. This is the king size with the camo. Of course, the dream catcher to catch any bad dreams. And I tell you what, that thing works, guys. I don't ever get any nightmares. I tell you what. I got the blanket there. Yeah, you guys will probably recognize what that is. You see those leaves. We got this years ago. Really super comfy, because sometimes it gets a little too cold up in here with the air conditioner kicking, and I'll throw that on because the the camo is not real thick. It's just a comforter, you know. But okay, yeah, I got a stand over here, lamp, yada yada yada. I got all the shelving unit and stuff here. My cluster, you know what, of a corner over here. Got my drone there ready to go, the GoPro box, all the accessories, yada yada yada. Here's the workstation, guys, that you always see. The chair there, got my printer over there, the laptop, my Philippines book. Tell you what, man, I learned a lot from this lonely planet, guys. You want to learn about the Philippines, man, this is that's your book right there. Got the ring light, my little GoPro up there for webcam, my microphone that I never really use, but eventually I will. If I'm thinking about starting a podcast if I get over to the Philippines. Show you some of my pictures that you never get to see on the wall here. That's just a Les Paul there with a lot of different inspirational music type quotes. Of course, we got Jimi Hendrix, a legend. More Jimmy over here, and more Jimmy. You can't really get enough Jimmy, guys. Come on, it's Jimi Hendrix. And easily the greatest rock and roll band of all time that you guys see all the time in my videos, Led Zeppelin. So, yeah, that's pretty much the setup. Got this old, this is old, dude. I've had this desk since I was like 10, guys. I'm pretty sure my dad made that for me, and it withstood the test of time. I've had this desk 31 years. I can't even believe it's been that long, and it's banged up a little bit, but it still works. Why get another desk when it still works? You know, it fits the purpose of what I need. You know what I'm saying? So, and of course, I got my file cabinets because I got freaking paperwork up the yin yang there. I guess that's about it, guys. We'll you can show you the closet real quick here. I got a pretty nice walk-in closet here. It's gonna be hard to see because it's kind of dark. Get my shadow all the way. There's my luggage for me when I'm ready to go. I'm only bringing the big one here, though. I'm not going to need all three of these. When I go permanently, I'm going to take all those, but this will cover everything I need. All my clothes and stuff and cosmetics and, you know, plenty of pasalubong. So my Filipino viewers, you'll know what that is. Of course, got the anti-theft backpack ready to go. Pickpocketers, good luck, because you're not getting in that bad boy, I tell you that right now. Good luck. Not happening for you. There's my electric guitar over here. You probably can't really barely see it because it's dark as heck in here. But there's my Fender Squire Strat. Excuse me. Got my amp buried in there. There's the pack safe too. Yeah, there. You guys seen that video? That's a bad little mamma jamma right there too. You can leave that in the room when you go out and tie it around a movable object, and I tell you what, ain't nobody getting in that unless I got a blowtorch. And my clothes, you know, pants, shirts, shorts, safe. It's always safe in the safe. You know, that's about it, guys. Like I said, just average American home, no big deal. But yeah, man, if you guys like this, I guess, for whatever reason, smash that like for your buddy Eric, subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications so you never miss any one of my action-packed videos, guys. I appreciate you stopping by, and yeah, we'll do the outro shot of the workstation. Alright, guys, take it easy. Hope my video finds you well wherever you're at in the world. And remember, we only have one world. This is our world. We're all family. I don't care what anybody says. Let your differences go. Skin color, background, money, either plentiful or lack thereof. It doesn't define who you are as a human being. It doesn't matter. And that's my story. I'm sticking to it, guys. Love all you guys. Peace out, man. Catch you in the next one. Take care.